The folding gift wrapper. Visit niftygifts.com for amazing gifts to wrap up for your friends and family. Folding a gift with flowers. What you will need: brown wrapping paper, black pen or marker, a ruler, a pencil, string, wax paper, scissors, double-sided tape, a cutting knife. Measure and cut how much paper you will need by placing the gift onto the wrapping paper. The paper should cover the entire book. Fold the gift wrapping paper around the gift to make indent lines in the wrapping paper. Step 3. Draw a jar onto the gift wrapping paper. If you're like me and you don't like drawing freehand, grab an image from the internet and trace it. Turn the wax paper around and outline the whole artwork again. You should be left with pencil markings indicating a jar. Wrap the gift paper back around the gift. So if you do end up like this, you can use white cartridge paper to help cover the gift better. Stick the two back ends together that overlap. Fold the four corners in by aligning them to the top of the gift. Fold the flap to the back and stick them down. Take the flowers and wrap a string of your choice around it. Wrap a long string around the whole gift and tie the two ends to the side. Consider subscribing for more nifty gift wrapping ideas.